Good afternoon, Miss.
Very good afternoon.
How are you, Miss?
I am fine. Sit down.
Thank you, Miss.
So before start the class, let me ask you a question. Where we live, Darshan?
In community.
Okay. In community or in social groups. Every person lives in a community or in a social groups. So when all people live together, they have to make some certain decisions, right? How they govern, right? So let me take an example of your school. How your schools run so smoothly. Do you know? Anyone know? Okay. There is a management who runs the schools and makes rule and regulation to govern the school. Like this, do you know who govern and manage and made the rule and regulation of our country? Anyone knows? Nobody knows. It's our government. Who? Government. So government makes rule and regulation to manage the country. So today's topic is about the government. About government. Okay. So what can be the definition of government? Anyone knows? No. The group of people managing the affairs of the country is known as government. Okay. The group of people managing the affairs of the country is called government. So repeat with me. The group of people managing the affairs of the country is called government. Is that clear?
Yes, Miss.
So government makes rule and regulation of our country. Okay. So there are some certain functions of government also. Government helps in different kind of activities, right? So now we are going to learn about the function of the government. The function of government. Okay. So let me know one by one who knows the function of the government. So who can say the function of the government? Okay, Himanshu tell.
Provide safety to people.
Okay, provide safety to the people. Yes, Ansuma.
Employ police, maintain armed force.
Employed police, maintain armed force. Good. Sai.
Organize rescue during natural disaster.
Organize rescue during floods, natural disaster. Good. Sonu.
Makes laws for the country.
Makes laws for the country. Okay. Srimat.
Deals with poverty, unemployment and social discrimination.
Very good. Anyone from girls? Yes, Pratyasa.
Builds roads, hospital, educational and institution.
Okay. Makes builds roads, educational institutions, hospitals. Very good. So these are the function of the governments, right? So now let's discuss about the level of government. Who can say the level of government? Okay, Srima.
There are two levels of government,
Very
central
good.
government and state government.
Very good. So there are basically two levels of the governments. Two levels of the government. So what are they? First one is in central government and state governments. Okay. Central government, state government. Very good. Then who can say the organs of the government? organs. Priya, can you say that? Okay. So tell me the organs of the government.
There are three organs of government: legislature, executive, and judiciary.
Very good. There are three organs of the governments. Three organs of the government. So what are they? The legislature, the executive, the judiciary. Okay, the legislature, the executive, the judiciary. Okay, very good. Happy